Hello guys. Why selling short is very dangerous for beginners? This is a very big question. Now, for you guys, if you are interested to do selling short and you want to do day trading, please check my training, which is training level 11, how to sell short a stock, and training level 12 about day trading techniques. Why I say to you this? Because I will give you more details. Understand why it is so difficult and it is so risky for you guys, because you can't imagine how destructive it is. Understand that it's the opposite of going long. Now, when you go long, the price is unlimited. It means if you buy the stock at $1, it can go to $100, it can go to $200, it can go to $1,000. Okay? So it is unlimited. It means when the stock goes long, it has no limit. It can go wherever the people want to go to. It means if they buy, ask people to buy, the stock will be going up. It's unlimited. Now, when you sell short, your profit is limited. Let's say the stock is $10. If it's going $10, $8, $9, $5, $7, $6, $4, $3, $2, hope it is not bankrupt. So your profits are limited. Now, what if you buy a stock at $10? You sell short. It means you borrow shares. You borrow shares from your broker and you sell them in the market. Then if the stock is going down, you buy them again and you give the shares and you take the difference, and then you make money. The problem with the selling short is that your loss is unlimited. What if the stock is $10 and it's going down? Let's say after market close, it is a drug company and they say they have approved a medicine, a drug. They have it approved by FDA. It means the Food Administration. What will happen to this stock? Millions of people, they come to buy this stock because of the news. From $10, the next morning it is $100. Do you know how much you lose? You lose 1,000%. It means if you put $10,000 is gone and they ask you $90,000 by broker, he will ask you to bring this money. That's why I told you, if you are a beginner, it is so important you go to my training level 11 or you do the subscription. Just go and check and study and study and study. And then when you want to begin selling short, you do it better in the day trading than to do it as a swing trader. It means you short the stock and you leave it for many days. It's better to do day trading. You sell short in the morning. If things doesn't go good, you just sell and you exit very quickly. At least you will not lose that much. Or if you are making money, don't stay overnight, because things can be bad next day. Okay? So thank you very much for watching and have a nice day.